Best exercise program in the world. What could be the best exercise program in the world? The best exercise program in the world is the one that you will do. You know, I've been a personal trainer and been in the fitness world for 30 plus years and worked with lots of different people and seen lots of failures and successes with people doing exercise programs. And there are many different benefits to there's all kind of ways to get your exercises in. Pick the one that you enjoy, the one that you will do. Just find something that gets you going, that you enjoy it, and you have fulfillment in it. That's going to be the one that you're going to do consistently over time. So what's the best exercise program in the world? The one that you will do.